All right, guys, today I'd like to introduce you to Bleu, a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 crew cab that we picked up. It's got about 197,000 on the odometer. It's very clean. I really like this truck. It drives great. There's just a few things we need to knock out cosmetically as well as mechanically. The truck's got quite an interesting backstory, so I'm really anxious to tell you all about it, but we're going to do a quick walk around, so here we go. Now, the deal on Bleu almost fell through before it even started. I was the second person to inquire about the truck and I did not have first dibs. However, after waiting about an hour, the seller called me back and he said, "Chris, I'm kind of frustrated. The truck has a problem, but if you'd like to come check it out, I'd still like to sell it." So since he wasn't too far away, I hopped in the truck and on we went. We got there, and this is where it gets interesting. As I was potentially going to strike a deal with the seller after talking about the issues that it had, or the issues that had come up during the previous test drive, the person that almost bought it pulled back in the driveway. This is where it gets really interesting. The person that test drove it before me offered a significantly lower price than what he was asking for before he left, due to a mechanical failure that apparently happened during their test drive. Now, he came back and he was offering a lot more all of a sudden for the truck, as if maybe he changed his mind. I don't know. But with that being said, I'm going to hold you there. Stay tuned and I'll tell you more about this story in the next episode.